Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class A Kaliva. Today we are going to see class 2 subject EVS, topic name is festivals are fun. Today we have to see festivals are fun. Okay. Last session we saw that I told already the festivals are classified into three things as no. What are that? Religious faith festivals and then harvest festivals and then national festivals. Now, last session we saw that religious faith festival. Is it? Today we have to see that national festivals along with that the harvest festival. Okay, see, first one is the harvest festivals, Pongal. We know that what is the harvest festival? Harvest festivals means they have to give the thanks to which one they get the things from the nature, they have to give the thanks to the nature. Okay, then they are worship the nature as a god. So, they have to give the thanks, no, because we know that the farmers are cultivating that crops, no. Crops only give the lot of the product to us, all the food items we get the crops, no. So, the farmers want to give the thanks to the nature, that is why they are celebrating this festival. Okay. First one we have to see the Pongal. Pongal is the one of the harvest festivals celebrating in Tamil Nadu. You know that no, in Tamil Nadu people celebrating their harvest festival as the name of Pongal. Okay. And the Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, we know that when we celebrated this Pongal means this Pongal is celebrating in the month of the January month. Actually, the January month 13, 14 they have to celebrate this Pongal, no. Actually, what does that means? We know that the January to December it is the English month, we know that, no. We have the Tamil month. What is the Tamil month? Thai, Masi, Pongal, like that we have that, no. So, the Tamil month Thai is the first month of the Tamil calendar, no. So, the Thai first day they are celebrating as a Thai Pongal. It is called the Thai Pongal. Thai means it is the first month of the Tamil calendar. So, the Thai month first day is a Thai Pongal. Okay. This Pongal is continuously celebrating the 4 days. How many days means? 4 days. No. The first day they are celebrating as the name of Bohi. What is that? Bohi. Bohi means they are first they are clean their home. After that the waste things they have to burn in the fire. Okay. So, the first day they are celebrating as a Pongal, they burn all the waste things which one they used the last year. Then they are buying the new things for the next year, coming next year. Okay. So, it is the Bogi. And then second day it is called the Thai Pongal. Thai Pongal means the month of Thai. Thai first is called the Thai Pongal, and then on this Thai Pongal they are celebrating, preparing the sweet Pongal jaggery like that, and then giving the thanks to the god. They are worship the sun as a god, because the sun, without the sun crops cannot grow properly, no. So, they are giving the thanks to the sun, and then they are preparing the sweet Pongal. It is called the used with the jaggery. After that, the third day, it is the first day is a Bohi, and then second day is a Thai Pongal, third day is called the Mattu Pongal. What does Mattu Pongal means? The cows are using their cultivation though. So, for the irrigation and everything they are using the cow. So, they are giving the worship to the cow as a special attention to the cows. On this day they are giving the thanks for the cow. Okay. That is why they are celebrating third day is a Mattu Pongal like that. And then fourth day it is called the Kanum Pongal. So, continuously 4 days the Pongal is celebrating in India. This actually the Pongal means it is the harvest festival. It is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. On this Pongal day, they are decorating their homes, and then they are using the sugar cane. Sugar cane, we know that no. In this month sugarcane cultivation, it is give the lot of the profit to the farmers. So, they have to use this sugarcane also for their worship. Okay. This is the celebration of Pongal in Tamil Nadu. Then next one is the Onam. Next one is Onam. Onam, we know that it is also one of the harvest festival. This harvest festival is celebrated in Kerala. Where do Who is celebrated? In Kerala, people in the state of Kerala, the people celebrating their harvest festival, the name of Onam. Okay, it is celebrated. We saw that Pongal is celebrating continuous 4 days. No, as well as this Onam is celebrating actually that 10 days. How many? 10 days. Okay, the 10 days, the last 10th day is called the Tiruvonam. The last 10th day is called the Tiruvonam. This Tiruvonam, see, that the last Tiruvonam is considered very important day because it is the this last Tiruvonam only we are celebrate as is the name of the Onam. Okay. Next one, they decorated their houses with floral designs. It is called the Pookolam. We know that no, we also on Diwali we are also putting the kolam in our house now. But this Kerala peoples are using to put the kolam, the flowers, the petals of the flowers, the different colors of the flowers they are using to decorate their kolam. This kolam is called the Pookolam. After that, they also prepared a special feast. It is called the Onam Sadhya. Onam Sadhya means actually it is the number of varieties of payasams they are preparing on this day. This special feast it is called that Onam Sadhya, and then many varieties of payasams are prepared on Onam. See, this Onam is celebrated in Kerala. It is actually one of the harvest festival celebrating in Kerala people. No. Then it is celebrated continuous 10 days. The last 10 days there, no, it is called the Tiruvonam. It is very important day. And then on this day people wearing the new clothes and then they preparing that payasams and then special feast also preparing at their home. It is called Onam Sadhya, like that. Okay. Next one is the national festivals. We already completed that two kinds of the festivals we saw that no, it is called the national festivals. The first, what is national festivals means? We saw there the harvest festival. Harvest festival is celebrating in different days in different type of states people on the different dates. No, but they are celebrating in different name all throughout the year. But the concept, the main reason means to give the thanks to God, as well as the religious festival. This religious festival also then different type of the religious, the particular religious people only celebrating that particular festival. Others didn't celebrate. No. For example, if the Christmas means Christians only celebrating this Christmas, not the Muslims and Hindus are they are not celebrating. They are involving, but they aren't celebrating like them. No. But this national festivals throughout the world, or throughout the country, or on our all the people in our country, they are equally celebrated this national festival. That is why it is called the national festival of our India. What are the national festivals? First one is the Republic Day. First one is the Republic Day. When we celebrating this Republic Day, we celebrating this Republic Day on 26th January. 26th January we are celebrating this Republic Day. After that, what will happen on this Republic Day means the grand parade will be held in the Rajpath in New Delhi. We know that the New Delhi is the capital of our India. Our India's capital is the New Delhi. Is it or not? So, in this capital of New Delhi, the grand parade will be held. Okay, and where it is means in Rajpath. Then in this parade, school children are participating. How they are participating means they are wearing the colorful dress and then they are giving the special dances, and then many things will be held on this day. Okay, and next one, our president takes a salute on the occasion. Flag hoisting will be held there. So our president giving the special speech on this day. Next one is the Independence Day. Next national festival is called the Independence Day. See, we celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August. Independence Day is celebrating 15th August. Okay. Independence Day celebrations are held at the Red Fort in New Delhi. This independence also celebrating New Delhi, where it is means it is the Red Fort. Okay. We saw that Republic Day is celebrating on the it is the Rajpath in New Delhi. This independence is celebrating in Red Fort in New Delhi. It was on this date many years ago that we became free. We became free many years ago from the British. No, that's why we are celebrating this Independence Day. And then our Prime Minister unfurls the national flag and give a special speech. Okay, on this day, our Prime Minister is hoisted the flag as well as he giving the speech to our people. Next one is the Gandhi Jayanti. See, Gandhi Jayanti, we know that now this Gandhi Jayanti is celebrating on 2nd October every year. 2nd October we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti because the birthday of Gandhiji's date is celebrating as a Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. On this day, this birthday, Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday is a Gandhi Jayanti. No, we also called him Babuji. Babuji is Gandhiji, we also called Babuji. On this day, the whole country remembers the Babu. Babu means who is that? The Gandhiji is also called Babuji, no. So, he is on this day, all the peoples remember about the Gandhijis, and then school people's children are giving the speech like that. So, on this day they are celebrating very well. Thank you children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and will receive our latest updates. Thank you.